Hello. Yesterday, last time, I showed you how to make a mean bird. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a horsey by Sophie TV. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn. So now, the unicorn is going to take a little bit more work. So first, we're going to start off regular and fold it triangle. Okay. So I'm going to do the other way too. Hold on. So now you have the X going. Then you're going to want to fold it halfway, just like that. Then you're going to want to fold it halfway again, up, down, like this. Okay. Next thing you want to do is going to make it into a square. So you're going to fold each corner up to the middle. So this corner to this middle, like that. Next corner to this middle, just like that. Just trying to make sure it's all nice and tight. Same thing with this corner, all nice and tight. And then this corner, all nice and tight. Okay. Crease it all nice, flying it good. Then you got the perfect. Now, just pick which side you want to do it. Then I just like this or like this. I like to do it like this. Then you're gonna have this corner right here go to the middle of this line. Don't worry, because you can't see it, because when you do the fold, you're gonna be able to see the line. So you're gonna want to fold this like that, and then fold this the same way to the top. So that line right there and this line right there. Then you're gonna want to fold it right to the middle, just like that, just again. And then right here, you're gonna clean it up right there. And fold it nice and tight. And then you're gonna do the same to the other side. So first here, then here, and then you're gonna go up here, and then boom, boom. You got it. So it should be looking like that when you fold it. So now you got your pieces. Now I'm gonna go and put it back into diamond position. So it got here, right? So now you're gonna want to fold this in. So you're gonna want to fold it just like that. Yep, just like that into a triangle. Then like that. Don't really worry about if it's all lined up, because this is just a fold to help you on for later. And same thing you're gonna do here. Fold it to the middle, just like that. Oops, sorry. And then you're gonna go like that. Nice. So the next step is, see how it's like this? You're gonna want to fold it like that. You're gonna put it into this position, and you want to fold it, and this line right here, you're gonna fold it up to there. So you see how usually I would fold like that. Instead, I'm gonna fold it right here, make a little crease, hold it out, make sure this is creased up, and then fold it up here. Right, so you have that. The same thing here, same thing right here. You're gonna want to fold it like regular. Done on that line, you're gonna want to fold it back up, get that crease there for this reason right here. So now we got that, and it should be looking like this, just like that. You can adjust it a little bit, and it should be having fold up, and then all you're gonna do is fold it down. See, it comes down nicely when you fold it like that. You got that going, all good. And then from there, you're gonna want to do this. You're gonna want to fold, put it back up. You can either do this, you can fold it in. This is an exercise to make it more easier for you. So you can fold it into like a nice triangle, fold it in. You want to fold that in, fold that in. You can get this right here. You bring this up, just like that. And you fold it up. You have it like that, right? It's nice and even. So then you're gonna want to get this head going. So I just like to do that right there, and then just fold this head in. Just fold this head in, and then just bring it out. Just bring this head out a little bit, so you don't look that crazy. And that's it. So now you're gonna want to have them like this, right? You want to fold them down. Then the next step, you're gonna want to fold this over. You're gonna want to fold this back. Oh wait, sorry. You're gonna want to fold this the front way, like this. And then fold it in, and then turn it over. And then you're gonna want to. Now this part always gets me messed up. So you're gonna want to do this. Always remember, fold it down, right? You're gonna want to fold it down, even it up, and then from his head, from his neck, basically, it's gonna be a little crease, and you want to fold it right there. So there. This is where the part I always messed up, because I always forget that you gotta always fold it. So there's the middle, and you want to fold it right there. You want to fold it right there. Right? You're gonna want to fold it. You're gonna poke it out a little bit. Poke it out so he's standing up more like this. Then you want to crease it up so it's more like the middle, and you get this just standing up just like that. And then you're gonna want to put your finger in it, and then you're just gonna fold it down just like that. And then boom, bang, perfection. That's exactly what you want, like that. Just another extra diamond, and then you're gonna do the same for the other side, right? Bang, bang. Fold them in. Hope you saw that. So you're gonna fold it in, and then put this up. And then you're gonna want to do this. I'm gonna poke it out, fold it in. Make sure you get the back side too. Makes it easier. And then you're gonna want to put your finger in it, and then just put it down like a diamond. And then call it a nice day. Then you're gonna want to do that. Then you're gonna want to fold it, and then you almost got it. See, you almost got it. So now you're gonna want to do this. You're gonna make that diamond, and you're gonna want to fold them into the middle. Fold it right to the middle, just like that. Fold them right to the middle. And then boom. And then you want to make sure he has a tail, so you're gonna want to fold this in, and then fold a little tiny piece out, just like a little pyramid. But he's looking type ugly. He's looking ugly. And then you're gonna do it like that, and then you're gonna fold them up again, and then you got him just like that. And you want to make him stay. So this inside part, this is a flap, and you're gonna put it in this flap right here. It doesn't matter which flap you use, because see, but some flaps are easier than others, because this one is a little more harder. So you can just, in that case, you just do it the other one, and stick that flap. See how I stick the flap in there, and then you got a horsey. You got a nice horsey. There you go. And hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. And you've been watching Sophie TV, how to make a horsey.